Fox Sports Carolinas welcomes you back inside PNC Arena. Tonight we present the Carolina Hurricanes and the Tampa Bay Lightning.
He is going to be a good one. He's a great kid.
We talked about that at the top of Hurricanes Live tonight. Table terrifying. It tipped right on. Great stop by Vasilevsky. Derek Ryan back for Skinner. Along the boards, Williams now with patience holding onto it. His shot bodied down by Vasilevsky. The rebound, Derek Ryan to the outside. Kicked down by Nikita Kucherov in full flight. Here's Steven Stamkos over the line. Working Slavin. Back for Kucherov. Tipped right on. And Darling said no. Hedman's shot denied that time by Scott Darling. And the Canes now will clear it out. We will start Thursday night in TO with Hurricanes Live at 6:30. Jeff Skinner off a stick. Williams turns. Shoots one. Stop. And Vasilevsky will hang on.
He knows when he has to get pucks to the net quickly. He knows when he has time to hold on. He holds on here. He just feels it. Maybe it's the fact that it's Killorn.
Wrapped up by Mikhail Sergachev, and now a pinch along the boards, that time by Brent Pesce. Carolina resets. Slavin goes wide. Jacob Slavin through the box. A shot off the goalpost. Elias Lindholm.
I mean, he has Vasilevsky dead to rights. Look at the flex on the stick, letting the stick do the work.
Now Sergachev. Mikhail Sergachev interrupted. Slavin right back for Carolina. Jacob Slavin. Lindholm. A miss hit. A tough pass to handle. Stall. What a stop by Vasilevsky. John Tripp and Mike with you as always. PNC Arena here in Raleigh. And the GPS out to find it. We all found it. That's good. We're here for one. Back on the road in Toronto Thursday. J.T. Brown off a stick. And a great defensive job by Trevor Van Riemsdyk. Nice look at Victor Hedman. 16 goals, 56 assists last season. Stamkos, sharp save by Darling again.
Well, I don't want to get in trouble with defending any of our current sponsors by calling it the Waffle House.
That's true. Okay, quiet. Sergachev, shot taken. Second chance off the goal post. Third chance thwarted. Yanni Gourde right out in front. I believe 3 golden opportunities right there. 40 seconds left in the period. Shots are now 7-7. Here's Andre Palat right out in front. Darling said no, they score! A rebound opportunity at the side of the goal for Tyler Johnson. 35 seconds left in period 1. 1-0 Tampa Bay.
You want to live to the next whistle so you can enjoy that good break. It's just a quickly developing 2-on-1 because of the work along the boards at the Carolina blue line. And Darling, you could see his reaction afterwards on Palat. He wants to come up with this shot.
That's their captain, Steven Stamkos, with help from Nikita Kucherov, who brings it along. He'll steam in. Center one, off the stick that time of Nemestikov out in front. He was marked a chance. Darling says no. Now Stamkos through the middle. Here's Nemestikov. With room, Alex Killorn. He'll stop. Lay it alone. Kicked out with a purpose by Darling. Second round pick they had in the trade with Jonathan Drouin going to Montreal. Through the middle now. On a change, it's Steven Stamkos. Right in. He'll stop. Pirouette. Darling comes up big. Alex Killorn had a tough time in the center zone. Peppered by Ryan. That puck is batted around right to Steven Stamkos. Now Killorn sneaks in for a chance. Alex Killorn shut down by Darling. The rebound for Stamkos. All the way back. Sergachev scores! Mikhail Sergachev in game number 10 of his young NHL career makes it 2-0 Tampa Bay.
You want to get to that whistle to take advantage of that break, and you want to get to the whistle after the big save on Killorn, the missed follow-up from, and then, boy, Sergachev, what a heck of a pass from Steven Stamkos.
Rejected by Tampa Bay, out to neutral ice, taken back by Justin Falk. And do they give it away? They almost do. It's batted down by point, fanned on by Yanni Gourde at the side of the goal.
2 former Ranger leaders have had a good first half of this game, he and Callum.
Another giveaway. Kucherov for Tyler Johnson dancing. Killorn's right in. Darling says no. Oh, Scott Darling with a dandy right there. Alex Killorn set up, and he was all alone. Brought in by Skinner, a backhander blocked by Hedman. Back it goes for Van Riemsdyk. Now Skinner with a shot answered by Vasilevsky. The rebound. Forked wide, and Dotchin was all over Williams, who wanted a call.
Here Williams just about does it. Goes off of his leg. It would not have been goalie interference. Does he actually make that save with the skate blade?
Sergachev is there, in deep at Stamkos. Good look there, cross, nice read, and a breakaway, possibly, but Teravainen. The gap closed by Stamkos out in front. Vasilevsky says no. Jordan Staal had the opportunity. With a $1:54 left in the second period, 2-0 Tampa Bay. Tyler Johnson in the first. Mikhail Sergachev, who has the puck in the second. The rookie right in for a chance. Darling holding his ground.
There aren't many people that win a race to the outside like Sergachev did, and he had some room. And it almost looked like Darling feels it up on his left shoulder and changed the angle ever so slightly. Actually came up with the arm.
And here they come inside Lindholm, fanned on by Staal. Falk will get to it. Aho in control. He'll hinge his shot off the metal, near post of Vasilevsky, and out to center ice. Noah Hannafin with a pass finding Justin Williams. Williams in the zone, a stutter step, right by Girardi, right out in front. Vasilevsky makes the save. Joakim Nordstrom stopping and starting, supported by Marcus Kruger. Juris blocked, not out. Held in by Slavin, off the stick of Hedman. Nordstrom, Vasilevsky, holding his ground. Hack and whack time, still available. Taken to the outside by Pesce. Back now, Slavin shot, scores! Jacob Slavin. And the Canes have life.
And he hated shortening the bench and not playing his fourth line. He loves his fourth line. And even down 2-0, he always comes back with his fourth line after a power play that doesn't convert. And did they ever reward him? Big compliment to Brett Pesce jumping down. Remember our Taco Bell take? Active defense. And you see they're a big part of this goal that gives Carolina life in earnest, where they earn every bit of it. What a screen in front.
Out of the corner now, it's dug out, held in. Slid across for Juris. His shot goes high. Now Jordan Staal in control. Through the slot, turned out by Vasilevsky, a dandy. He'll work over Pesce, support from Kucherov. His pass is broken up, and Skinner starts his engine. Over the line now, in the Tampa Bay zone. Williams, Ryan, right in for a chance. Vasilevsky, his best save of the night.
And I think if he had, turned his body, he could have fired that off the pass. Either way, he still is able to create a heck of a chance off the Tampa skate. And again, you see the incredible quickness from side to side.
Hannafin, Brown on him, gets support from Falk. He has a wide open Skinner. His shot rockets off Vasilevsky. Dotchin swings it across for Hedman. Victor Hedman now thinks about it through the middle. It's cut off. Wide open. Nemestikov scores. Justin Falk in control. His shot off bodies blocked in front by J.T. Brown. Empty net situation. Ryan Callahan with one more.
Early in the first period, Carolina has some goal scorers, the Victor Rask and Sebastian Ahos, that need to find a way moving forward.
Stamkos will circle out in front. They score. That's Kucherov with 4 seconds left. 5-1. 10-game point streaks extended tonight for Nikita Kucherov and Steven Stamkos. They will surround Andrei Vasilevsky. Kucherov has 11 goals now. That leads the NHL. The final count tonight here in Raleigh, the Tampa Bay Lightning 5 and the Carolina Hurricanes 1.
You want to get in front of a team like the Lightning and some guys that need to start showing up on the score sheet.